Connecting your Android phone to a Bluetooth speaker is pretty easy and straightforward, but it does require two steps. First, we'll need to put the speaker into pairing mode, and then use the phone to connect to it. Every speaker is slightly different, but usually you'll power it on, and then find some sort of Bluetooth or pairing button to put it in pairing mode. On my JBL speaker, I can just press the Bluetooth button and it goes into pairing mode. Usually, you'll see a light flashing, or sometimes you'll hear a sound indicating that pairing mode is active. On the phone, the easiest way to connect is through the quick settings. Swipe down from the top right corner and then press and hold the Bluetooth icon. You'll see all active connections and nearby devices that are available to connect. Choose your speaker and then confirm you want to connect. That's it. Once the connection is successful, I'll see the volume slider appear on my phone. And if you look closely, you'll see a little Bluetooth icon on the slider, indicating that the output is going to a Bluetooth speaker. Another way to do this is through your settings. You can go to Settings and then Connections. I'll tap Bluetooth, and I can see all my active connections here, as well as any nearby devices that are available. Here, I can also go to the settings of my speaker, and I can, for example, rename, disconnect, or unpair the speaker from my phone. And that's how you connect a Bluetooth speaker. Click that like button if this helped you, and subscribe for more easy guides like this.